Sammy wants a new car. The 2026 model smells like success, but the 2022 model feels like a bargain. To make the right choice, Sammy doesn't need a salesman, he needs a calculator. Welcome to the true cost of ownership. Move 1. The depreciation cliff. The moment Sammy drives that new car off the lot, it loses 20% of its value. By year 3, 50% of his money has simply vanished into thin air. Used cars have already taken that hit, meaning Sammy's money stays in his pocket. Move 2. The interest illusion. Banks offer lower rates on new cars to tempt you, but $50,000 at 3% is still more expensive than $28,000 at 7%. Sammy needs to look at the total interest paid over 5 years, not just the monthly payment. Move 3. The tech tax. In 2026, new cars come with subscription features. Sammy might have to pay $20 a month just for heated seats or advanced GPS. Plus, insurance for a $50,000 car is double the cost of the used one. These are the silent leaks of new car ownership. The math. By choosing the used car and investing the difference, Sammy now has a car and a $20,000 portfolio. The new car owner only has a used car that's now worth $20,000. Who really won? Don't let a shiny hood blind your bank account. Download our new versus used comparison sheet in the description. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth for more financial truth.